Who's that?
Don't do that to TV. Don't do that.
When you can let's wait na ko bye-bye. Kasi antok na ko pagod sinabi.
Children.
Go. Okay na, dali video. Say it. Pygmy hippo.
Pygmy hippo is twice as small as a common hippo. The pygmy hippo you found is a young female, so is shoe in a girl only with a bear. Where does the pygmy hippo come from? You could find pygmy hippos in West Africa. A mice is forest and life just for the time in the water. They go down when you need the water and look for food.